Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories. And what do we have today? Well, we have one of the best-selling folding covers you can buy that one of our good customers, Moses, by the way, say hi everybody, say hi to Moses. He just drove all the way up from Kendall, which is a little bit of a commute, but thank you very much. Thank you for coming up.
Pleasure.
So that being said, let's go over to Moses's truck. He's got this great looking Ford F-150, and we did the folding cover here. We did the MX4 by Back Industries, and this MX4 is a great cover. Now, if you look here, it's got a nice matte finish here. It does match all the truck itself, and it has a 400-pound weight capacity. That's right. Now, that is evenly distributed, and that's going to be one of the top of the line weight for a folding cover that sits in the bed, which is, by the way, this is a low profile one. I know they make ones that sit on the outside here, not very good looking. When they sit in the bed, look how super clean it is. Now, I like the texture on this. I think this looks great. It's a great working cover. So let's go ahead and show you how all the features on the cover. Hopefully the tailgate didn't lock. No, it did not. Now, you do have a driver's side and passenger side release mechanism. Now, why is that one good? Well, if let's say you're on the highway and you pull off this side of the road and you're opening this up, you want to be on maybe the passenger side, lots of traffic coming your way. That's a benefit. Now, if you look over here, you can see all the seals here, and this is really good because it does form fit different types of tailgates, so it's going to do a little bit better for water. Now, if you look over here, this here is a drainage system, so if any water was to get past the seal of the cover itself, it would catch it and drain it out. Also, in the newer models, if you notice, it does have a black hardware instead of the silver hardware. It looks a little nicer that way. Now, you come over here, you can fold again. Now, you can drive like this. Now, if you see these guys here, it's going to lock right into this little groove here, and that holds it from the wind catching. So if you're in a highway, you don't have to worry about the wind closing it on you. Now, when it's not in use, if you see here, there's a little place to lock it, and it works as a little handle as well. Now, these here are little supports, so when it touches the window, it doesn't hurt anything. And what's nice about this cover, and not all covers do this, this has a 3-fold. Now, a lot of people, when they hear tri-fold covers, they assume it folds 3 times, but most tri-fold covers only fold 2 times. That means it's gonna stop right here. So if you have something in the front of the bed, guess what? You can't reach in to get it. You're gonna have to come around, get in the bed to get it. This has the 3rd fold. Now you can access everything. Also, if you look up here, it does not block your 3rd brake light. Why is that good? Well, a lot of the new covers, they do put the cameras up there. It does not cover that. Now, another good benefit when this is up like this, if you have something large in the back and you're driving down the road and someone cuts you off and it comes flying forward, instead of hitting your rear window, it's going to hit this. This will protect your rear window. It will act as a headache rack, which is what a lot of commercial vehicles have. And if you have your family in the back seat, you'll appreciate having that protection. Now, to close these, really easy. You don't have to slam it. If you notice, I'm just closing it normal. Doesn't require really any extra effort. Now, when you go to close the last time, it's probably good to close it like this. Now, a lot of times people will close it from one side. Well, the other side might not lock. Of course, it locked. But now, if you notice here, this is one of their newer models. And it has the little caps here at the end here. And that's on their newer models. My display doesn't have that. But this is one of the latest models that just came out. All in all, it's a wonderful product. If you like this, you can come to the store. We can put it on for you. There we go. Now, if we install it for you, guess what? The 5-year warranty this comes with gets doubled to 10. So, Moses, you got 10 years on this. So it's really good. Also, we're going to give you 1 year labor on everything we did as well. Now, if you don't live here in Florida, we can ship it anywhere in the country. As you know, 40% of our business is done online now. We're shipping to California. We even ship in Hawaii, a lot to Hawaii. Thank you, Hawaii. You can ship to pretty much everywhere, even Puerto Rico. Not so much in Canada, but we are working on that. Again, I'm Chris, and this is a review of the backflip MX4 on a Ford F-150. And before you go, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.